Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Some of you may know that it's getting a little warm outside. You might have a unit that goes in your window, and you bet you it's pretty old. What you're supposed to do is clean it. And if you don't clean it, you're gonna have like mold just blowing in your face. You're just trying to relax and just like, let me give you, death. And then if you haven't cleaned it in a while, the outside part of it, well, you're not going to transfer heat from the inside to the outside as efficiently, and you're probably going to use a lot more electricity. So here's a little video of me taking apart my AC for the first time. So not everything went perfectly, and we're just going to get to cleaning it. So without further ado, let's get down to the frame. Thanks for watching, guys. That was actually a pretty fun project to do. It took a little bit. I was kind of racing to beat the clock because I decided to do it while my girlfriend was taking a nap on a Sunday afternoon, and it was going to get dark pretty quick, but cleaned it up. Works well. Smells good. I don't have it in here, but I did test it out. You saw it in the video. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you like my voice, I know that sounds weird, but if you like my voice, we do have a podcast, Smallest Talk Podcast. It's me, my co-hosts Jacques and Dan, and we discuss just general life topics. So, you know, if you guys are actually out there cleaning your ACs as well, go ahead and pop on a podcast. All right, guys, thanks for watching Down to the Frame. See you next week.